welcome to our YouTube channel, Signal Flow Labs. Today in this video, we are going to make a very cool project for you guys, our audio visual analyzer. In this project, we are going to show you how to make an audio visual analyzer from scratch. So we are going to start, as mentioned on the screen. You can see all the products that are necessary for this particular project. And one by one, I'll show you all the wirings for each of these products, one by one. Let's get started with this. This is the Arduino that we've been using. It's Arduino Uno V173. So this is the board that we're using. This is a USB pin that you have to use. So basically, once you connect this USB pin to your Arduino or to your laptop, it starts to work. Yeah, as you can see, this will start working. As you can, this will start working. So, but once you're doing connection to the Arduino Uno, make sure that you don't do connection while the Arduino Uno is on, because that might lead to short circuit or other factors that might hinder the performance of the Arduino. It might get short and might just burn out. So for that, what we suggest is disconnect it, do the connection, then connect the Arduino Uno. So as you can see, this is the diagram. So we'll do connection one by one and all the things that we have used in this. So in this, the first thing that we're going to use is a mic. So the mic that we've used is MAX4466. As you can see, it's a mic. So basically, this mic converts the analog, the voice into an analog output. So you get analog output in the form of voltage difference from 0 to 5. As you can see this, and there are 3 pins available for this. As you can see, that is out, ground, VCC. So the VCC that we're going to use for this is 3.3 volt, because this mic works on 3.3 volt. If you're going to connect it to 5 volts, it will get short circuit. It won't function properly. So you have to connect with 3.3 volts, ground to ground pin, and the output pin that we have used for analog pin 1, the analog A0. So that's the first pin of analog. So we have used that in the program to run it. So as you can see, this is the way we have to take it. This black wire is for the ground. So we'll take the black wire, attach it to the ground pin. Then the yellow wire is for the output pin that we're going to attach directly to A output. And the red pin, that is for 3.3 volts, that we're going to attach to 3.3 volts. Yeah. So as you can see, we have made the connections for that, the first thing. Now, the second thing that we've used is this is a LED strip, 7219. In this LED strip, you can find there are lots of LEDs available. And then this is a 1832 strip, so in which you can basically program it again and again from various prospects. So as you can see, this is LED. Backside of this LED is, you can see the pins that are there, pin communication. So that's VCC, ground, DIN, CS, and clock. Clock is used to give the clock cycle from the Arduino Uno. DIN is used for digital input, CS for this, VCC, ground. So the difference that this and this has is, for this we require 5 volts. So when you are using this, when you are doing connection, you have to connect this to 5 volts, ground, DIN, CS, clock. So I'll do the connection and show it to you how it works. This is as it is, you have kept it. Now take first of all VCC, put 5 volts, put VCC to 5 volts. Then this pin we have put in the ground, the purple one that we have used. You can see on the screen also, this demonstrate which pin is connected to what based on the pin number. So then clock pin, the clock pin, that is the white wire in this one, that we are gonna connect to pin number 13 basically on the Arduino Uno board. And then we are going to connect D in. We are going to connect it to pin number 11. And and then we are going to use the other pin, that is CS, that we're going to connect to pin number 10. Okay, so as you can see, we have our setup ready. One, this is mic, this is the LED that I've put. As you can see, this is the LED right away. Okay, this is the Arduino, and you can see once I play the song, how it's going to react, how it's going to function very easily. Okay, so we are going to use a simple song to just show the demonstration of how it functions. So first we have connected the Arduino Uno to the power supply because we have disconnected it. Okay. So as of now there is no audio in it, so you can see it doesn't show any of this, but as soon as I do some audio or talk about it, this you can see slowly change. This is a mic. So give you an example, we are going to play a simple song on a laptop in which you will be able to understand how it functions properly. Now we will off the light and show you how the visual effects are there. They are very cool. You can get this product at your home. You can use it with all the songs that you can. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the project that it's a very cool project. You can buy it off, put it in a cardboard box, keep it beside your bed. When you play songs, it's gonna automatically do all the effects. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you wish to buy this product, there is a description given in a link in the comment section as well as in the description. So you can just contact us through email, and then if you want, we can ship it to your parcel. You can get to know detail about the projects. The code and everything will be shared with you. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Signal Flow Labs, and like and share it.